Hey guys, this is Victor, and I want to do a quick video to show you how to register your authentic iTeraCare device. First thing, you're going to notice every device has a serial number on it, right? It has a unique serial number. This is not to be confused with your delivery order number. So anyway, you look at the device, you'll find the serial number on the device, or you'll also find the serial number on the box. Okay, along with its FCC certifications and stuff. But anyway, you get the serial number right there. And then you want to register the warranty or just to have your sponsor do it for you. Most people are not even going to want to deal with the back office. Like, I'm logged in now, but look, so this is only for people that are actually using their own back office. If you're not, you just bought the device and you just want it to be warranted and you don't want to have to do anything, just contact your sponsor and have them do it for you, or contact me. So anyway, you'd log into your back office system. When you first log in, you get this very busy home page here, and then along the bottom you click on Navigate, and then Navigate will give you all of these other options on the left side here, and you scroll down almost all the way until you get the last set of red, and then you'll see the bottom red link is device warranty, and you just click on that. And so you'll see here, this is my list. I have things that are not registered. You'll also notice I have 2 devices that are expired. Ooh, don't worry. The company honors the warranty no matter what. And in this case, the system wasn't even working when I got those devices. And then I have others that are intentionally left not registered so that I can do this video. So anyway, you'll see I have some devices here that are not registered. And so you would go and you would just click. So I would just click here. Let's say if I'm looking at this device here. And you'd click the orange button, and then for here you just type in the serial number and you type in your security password. And again, if you're using your back office, then you're familiar, you know what your security password is. And so let's see, actually, did I register this one already? Let me see, K14333. K14333. Okay, and then what happened was it disappeared from the list. Okay, and so you'll see up here, it gives a little message, the delivery order, DO, blah, 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 serial number has been edited. And that's it, you're done. And so if you're doing this yourself, it will clear from the list here. All right, and that's all there is to it. There's nothing else you have to do or worry about. And again, even if you have a situation, let's say you log into your system and you see here it's expired, don't worry about it. The company is really good about honoring stuff. And in any case, no matter what happens, they're going to ask you to send a picture, and they're going to ask you to send your delivery order, because they want to know, of course they have to authenticate, verify that you're a real client using a real device, and that you didn't just break it by dropping it on the floor. So the warranty is for manufacturing defects, and they understand that happens, and they will replace something. And up to a year is pretty good. So anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know. That's it.